forge your inner armor. Your brain is one of the most stunningly complex and surprisingly beautiful things in all the universe. Ironically, only a human brain could judge something as stunning and beautiful and compose that sentence. You are one of the most amazing parts of this vast and complex universe. 100 or 200 pounds of biological matter that can think and feel, compose and create, build and travel, learn and teach. You're not just quantitatively better at all those things than other animals. You are qualitatively different. And the most incredible part of your fantastic body is your brain. It is perhaps the greatest of God's creations. Because it drives all of your activity, your brain consumes an enormous amount of your body's energy. It amounts to about 2% of your total body weight, nearly half the weight of your skin, but it uses 20% of your body's blood and oxygen. When your body is at rest, your brain burns 20% of your calories, but it is marvelously efficient in using that energy. A typical adult human brain runs on about 12 watts of power. Compare that to the 60-watt light bulb in your bedside lamp or the 80 watts that my laptop uses while I write this paragraph. But my computer only recorded the words that my brain imagined and composed. And while the smartest supercomputers greedily consume hundreds of thousands of watts on distributed server networks, they are created and controlled by human brains humming along, using less power than a small flashlight. Not impressed yet? The human brain has about 100 billion neurons, roughly the same as the number of stars in our galaxy. They are fed by over 400 miles of blood vessels. But each of those neurons has 10,000 or more synapses, which can combine with all of the synapses around them in a nearly infinite combination of neural pathways. Those dozen watts of electricity race through those pathways at almost 200 miles per hour. Hundreds of billions of neurons with hundreds of trillions of connections and pathways. For all intents and purposes, your brain is infinitely complex. As the poet Emily Dickinson put it, the brain is wider than the sky, for put them side by side, the one the other will include, with ease and you beside. The brain is deeper than the sea, for hold them blue to blue, the one the other will absorb, as sponges buckets do. The brain is just the weight of God, for lift them pound for pound, and they will differ, if they do, as syllable from sound. Your brain is deeper than the sea and bears the weight of God. Wow! You are a miracle, and your brain is the most dazzling part of it. Even on your worst day, your brain is still the most amazing thing in the universe. So why would you not treat your brain with all the reverence it deserves? Don't take your brain-body connection for granted. Too often, we damage our brains with unhealthy lifestyles, environments, and substances. Then we wonder why we can't perform consistently near our potential. We don't understand why we are growing less healthy and happy. So we look for simplistic explanations and convenient solutions that solve nothing, and consequently, our performance never really improves. But there is hope, because much of what ails us can be understood and addressed through documentable, quantifiable biology and neuroscience.